Hello, how are you, sir?
Hey, I'm doing good.
Hey, I'm Deputy Lieutenant Case Sheriff's Office. I just wanted to check on you. Somebody called and said that I guess you were having some problems swerving inside the lanes and whatnot like that. When I got behind you, so you were kind of swerving a little bit. So I want to check on you, make sure you're okay. What's going on today?
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
Doesn't make any kind of sense. Okay, well, I just want to check on you. Like I said, I'm just speaking to you freely, seeing how you're doing. Do you live here?
Yeah, well, I'm going with my girlfriend.
Okay, this is your girlfriend's house? Okay, all right. Are you okay today?
Yeah,
Do you feel like you need medical attention or anything like that? Yeah, everything's okay. Have you had anything to drink today, by any chance? Okay, I'm picking up on an odor of alcohol coming from you.
Nope.
When's the last time you had anything to drink?
I haven't had anything at all.
Okay, would you mind just step out with me real quick? If you wouldn't mind, I'll just talk to you for a second out here. So, where you're heading to your girlfriend's house, right?
006 Deputy calmly approached Cardi Hain. Hello, sir, somebody called. Yahan si hai ek important cheese start ho jadi hai. Community complaint. Job multiple log report carrying co-driver swerving car raha hai. To officer coup pos reasonable suspicion develop ho jada hai. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer direct accused nahi Cardi. Peli welfare check. Are you okay?
Ye ek smart tactic hai.
Agar medical emergency ho. To DUI nahi. EMS priority. Hodi hai.
Lekin further pwikhet hen ke unhen an kon ki smell azahi hai. Ya en situation bilkul sutel se temps son lekti hai.
Driver deny Carda hai. AAP Kia Sakti Hain. Agar AAP officer oat or smell detect hodi. To AAP ka next step Kia hoda. Yahan deki. Har second ka impact kitna critical high. Officer observe car rahi hain. Confusion, wrong address, inconsistent answers. Yi sab DUI investigation ku red flags hain.
Sun abi kamlak zaha hai lekin gadundo ko zahin shet ho zaha hai.
Yeah, man.
She lives here?
Yeah.
What's her name? Okay, without looking, what's this address here?
99 Wait.
Okay, this isn't 99 Way. Okay.
4155.
Okay.
Okay, so whose house is this? Do you know whose house this is?
Yeah, I mean, I swear.
Okay.
My customers, I could.
Okay. Do you want to keep your hands up while I'm talking to you?
Yeah.
I appreciate you, man. So you said you're going to your girlfriend's house on 99. What was it again? This is 22. Okay. Are you sure you have anything to drink today? Because, like I said, I'm picking up on an odor of alcohol coming from you as you're talking to me. When's the last time you had something to drink?
That's not.
Okay. When's the last time you had something to drink?
I haven't had anything.
Okay. Are you diabetic or anything?
No. Well, I think I am.
Okay. Do you feel like you're having symptoms of diabetic? Like, are you feeling a little confused or loopy or anything like that where you might need medical attention? Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you? Are there any weapons in the vehicle? Any guns, knives, grenades, tasers, anything like that? Let's see a gun holster in the door. There's not a gun anywhere?
174.
Hey, let me get you stand back over here for a second. Let me get you stand right here, okay? Because that, like I said, I see a gun holster in the door. I want you to reach back in the vehicle, okay? I'm going to close this door right here, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Is there a firearm in the vehicle?
No.
Okay, do you have one on you anywhere?
No, not at all.
Okay. All right. 192.
I live right down the road.
Okay. Can you copy one by Florida deal? So why'd you pull in right here?
Because where my wife lives, and
Ena kay bade officer driver ko gaari se bakhar nikalne ko kifte khain. Ye detention ka stage hai. Abe ye sirf jaswal conversation nahi rahi.
AAP notice carrying Kai's address confusion escalate Carda high. Pechla girlfriend ka khar pir vife ka pir alag numbers. Ye cognitive impairment ka pa indicator o saktai. Officer diabetic condition, B check Cardi Hain.
Ye ek procedural nuance hai. Kyan?
Kyunki diabetic episode or intoxication cause symptoms similar ho Soctane. Agar medical issue ho or officer ignore care. To liability create ho Sakti high. Yahan officer ka tone of thoda, firm ho jada high. Confusion plus alcohol odor plus swerving. Situation dear build ho rahi high. Kia AAP expect car rahi the kuya surf warning park hadam ho jayega?
Ya apko lakza ha hai escalito inevito hai.
like to see her.
So you stop by to say hello. So you said this is your girlfriend's house at first, then you get into the wrong address, and you say it's your wife's house. Do you know the people that live here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, because you seem very confused about where you're at. Like I said, from the minute I started talking to you, you seem confused. I smell an odor of alcohol. Your eyes are real watery and glassy. Okay, so I just have a concern that you might not be okay to operate a motor vehicle. Does that make sense? Okay. Have you taken anything today, prescription or non-prescription?
Whatever you want to say, man. Listen, come on.
Okay.
You don't smell an odor of alcohol. You're not.
Okay. I do. Go ahead. Where are you coming from right now?
I'm going to my home. Right here. Right.
Okay, but you pulled in here when you saw me behind you. Like I said, you're swerving. Okay. Would you mind keeping your hands on? Here, I'll tell you what. If you wouldn't mind if I was patching up weapons, you can put your hands in your pockets all you want.
Absolutely.
You mind if all right, would you face away from me real quick? All right, then you can put your hands in your pockets all you want. How about that?
I mean, whatever
Okay.
you'd like, man.
Well, I mean, I'm just,
Katsi 40 keskiviikko Todd narrative AOR-viikhotaja rahahai.
Driver apnea story change Carta Redahai. Officer clearly Kate Hain. You seem confused. Johan Decky. Officer totality of circumstances explain Cardi Hain. Lameni phrase bo hot important high.
EX single factor C arrest mehi hute.
Lekin job multiple indicators combine ho jan, swerving, odor, glassy eyes, confusion, tap probable cause build hoda high. Deki ekaise control panoya yarahahai. Officer bar hands visible rockney ko Kate Hain. Safety first. Holster door may nazar aya the unknown risk.
Situation AB maximum escalaton que edge pareil. Le cas AB ek chance d'IA rahai.
Field sobriety tests.
like I said,
anything.
no, I understand you're not. I'm trying to get the facts out of you. I'm trying to get actual information.
Here's the facts, dude.
Okay.
Here. I am. There we go.
Okay.
Copy 14.
What are you trying to show me?
I'm showing you my house. I'm down the street.
Because look, I'm gonna be honest with you. You don't live here. You don't know anybody who lives here, right? Okay.
That's not accurate. No,
Okay.
not at all.
What's the name of the person who lives here then?
Trina.
Trina? Trina who?
Yes, Trina.
Okay. You know 192. Is that with a C or with a K? Can you check M&I for a Katrina? Advise what her address is, if we have one.
She doesn't because we don't have the same address.
Okay.
There you go, man.
Okay. What's this? That's your phone.
Yes.
Okay. That's just a blank screen, is all I see. Go ahead. Cancel. Okay, so they say Katrina lives at your house, 99.
820 Bad Officer clearly option Deet Hain. Would you perform standardized field sobriety tasks? Ye tests pass / fail na hiod. Lekin clues count Hain. Walk and turn one leg stand I test scientifically validated tools. AAP Kia Sakti Hain? Agar driver confident Hoda. Tekia a test refuse Carta?
Ja refusal kudek signal ban vatahai.
Driver repeatedly Kata high there is no point.
Yan tension palpable o yati.
Officer calm rate Hain. Lekin unka decision making window close ho raha high. Abdeki decision ka affect kai's unfold hoda high. Refusal ka bad officer ka pos limited options ray jade Hain.
Yes, which is up the road.
Right, which is not here. You told me Katrina is here. This isn't Katrina.
Yeah.
So why are you lying to me?
Stop with it, man. I'm not lying to you. I told you Katrina's at my address.
Okay.
It's right there.
Okay.
Like around the corner.
I know Katrina's at your address. Who lives here at 221?
This is her address that she stays at with her friend.
Okay.
And I stay here with her all the time.
What's her friend's name?
Her friend is Katrina's friend's name is Damn. Simone.
Simone? Okay. Do you know Simone's last name?
No, I don't.
Okay. Just Simone? Okay.
I don't know what to do. Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah, that's perfectly fine.
God damn it.
What's the matter? Can't get the phone to work? That's okay. I don't need the phone. I don't need the phone. You can hold on to it. Look. Hold on to the phone. Just slip it in your pocket. Okay? So, Mr. Dustin, do you mind if I call you Dustin? Do you mind if I call you Dustin?
Of course.
Okay. So, Mr. Dustin, here's
1050. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Yan se detention arresto min converto yati.
Officer step-by-step instructions detain. Flip your hands, double lock. Ye procedural detail important high. Double locking cuffs prevent carta high, cuffs tighten, ho car injury carrion. Lekin akanak resistance start hodi high. Stop pulling away. Yahan deki har second ka impact kitna critical high. Agar subject cooperate carta. To ye smooth hoda. Lekin slight resistance, be use of force justification create car sakti high. Officer ground tack, la Jane key warning detain. Situation bilkul tense ho gai. Control or compliance could beach ek thin line high.
the thing. I have some concern after talking to you. Like I said, I come up here to talk to you just to make sure you're okay, because some people were calling saying you were swerving all over the road, driving the median, and things like that.
Who is calling? Why?
Listen, I'm explaining it to you, okay? So as I get behind your vehicle, there's one car between you and I, but I see you're kind of driving side to side. You're kind of off the grass just a little bit. You're over the center line just a little bit of the road. I know there's not a painted line here, but you're kind of crossing that line, okay? So as you're doing that, like I said, you pulled in this driveway, so I jump out and check on you, make sure you're okay. As I talk to you, I detect a strong odor of alcohol coming from you, okay?
Oh, that's me.
Okay. Your eyes are glassy. You're standing here. You're kind of swaying back and forth while I'm talking to you. You can't tell me who lives here.
Not.
You keep
not even.
you keep changing the story. You're telling me you're coming from, but you're going that direction. Okay, based upon the totality of circumstances with me speaking to you,
No.
I have listen to me.
This totality of this.
Listen to me, Mr. Dustin. I'm explaining something to you. Okay, listen. I'm explaining something to you. Don't get back in the vehicle. I'm explaining something to you. Based on my observations, I reasonably believe I feel you're impaired by some unknown substance and you operate a motor vehicle at the same time. Okay, would you be willing to perform some standardized field sobriety tests to put my mind at ease that you're okay to operate a motor vehicle? It's just some simple tasks. We're gonna walk in a straight line. We're gonna stand on one foot. Check your eyes. Just some simple tasks. Okay. If you want to perform those, we'll get them over with quickly.
No point. No point. You already know. Look at me.
Okay. I already know what.
Transport.
You keep saying I already know. Look at you. What's that mean?
There is no point in this.
There's no point in
Being.
Okay, well, like I said, I'm asking you if you will perform some standardized field sobriety tests based upon your demeanor, the odor of alcohol coming from you right now, the way you were driving when I did get behind you. Would you be willing to perform standardized field sobriety tests? If you're willing to perform them, great. We'll go through them. I'll explain them to you. They'll be quick. They'll be easy. I'll get you out of here. Okay.
All right.
If you choose not to perform them, I have to go based on what I've observed at this point.
Sure.
Okay. Would you want to do that?
No.
No, you're not willing to do that for me.
No.
Okay. I'm gonna have to make a decision based upon what I've observed at this point. Okay, this is your chance to kind of show me that you're okay to operate a motor vehicle.
You're what you're basing your decision on is
Okay.
absolutely not applicable. You're being ridiculous.
Okay.
There is no reason.
Okay. I'm trying to get an explanation as to your demeanor. Like I said, eyes are glassy. You seem confused. You don't know where you
1140. Physical struggle short but intense. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer repeated commands detain. Stop resisting. Give me your hands.
Ia documentation ke lai bi import tang hota hai.
Bodycam sab record car raha high. Yahan officer measured force use cardi takedown threat, leverage control for quickly stabilize. Kia AAP expect car rahi the ku yi violent ho jaega?
Ya ye controlet escalation tea.
Finally cuffs secure, ho jatain. Officer immediately welfare check carta high. Are you okay? Ye professionalism ka sign high. Even after resistance, subject key safety priority hodi high.
you're at. You've told me 3 different people who own this house or who live here.
Nope, that's not true at all.
Okay, you're telling me you're going one direction, you're going another direction.
Nope.
You are swerving inside your lane. We had multiple complaints on you from people calling that we're driving behind you. Okay, I'm giving you a chance to prove to me otherwise that you're okay to operate a vehicle. It'd be some simple tasks. You want to perform some tasks for me? They're not pass or fail.
No. I'm not going to do pass or fail.
Okay. So are you declining at this point to do some standardized field sobriety tasks for me? I'm going to ask you one more time. Based upon what I've explained to you, would you be willing to perform some standardized field sobriety tasks? Just to put my mind at ease that you're okay to operate a motor vehicle.
Perfectly fine to operate a motor vehicle.
Okay.
You need to understand to stop antagonizing me, and I'm not going to subdue to your
Okay.
test.
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. Don't tense up. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. Okay. Put your hands together like you're praying. That's what I want you to do. No, look, flip your hands around. Let me make it leave you. Make more come. There you go. Perfect. Sure. Okay. Hold still for me. I'm gonna double lock them, okay? So they don't spring down on you.
Whatever you do, I'm not trying to.
Yeah, I know.
Center is unit 155, 74 check.
Here, do me a favor. You flip your wrist around, okay? I'm gonna flip this cuff around. It's gonna make this so it doesn't get painful, okay? There you go. Wait.
12:45. Suspect cruiser, main seat Hoda High. Of investigation, second phase, main enter Cardi High. Vehicle search. Officer interior, main alcohol dectane. Prescription bottles, be Nazar 8 Hain. Yahan legal nuance. Search justification Kia High. DUI arrest ko bad vehicle search incident to arrest or probable cause se justify ho sakta high. Especially jab alcohol visible ho.
Dekhi guys cần trôn ba này ra ha hai. Ek officer sút pet có se cơ katta hai. Du sa vây treo isamin katta hai.
Team coordination critical high. Scene com ho chuka high election charges of shape Larahi Hain.
Wait.
74 check.
Yeah, stop. Stop pulling away from me. Stop pulling away from me. You're about to go on the ground.
74 check.
Oh, yeah. Are you really? Hey, guy. Hey.
Put your hand behind your back now. Put your hand behind your back.
I am.
This one here. Give me crap. Show me your hand. Stop resisting. Give me your hand.
Have it.
Stop pulling your hand away from me.
I'm not, dude.
All right. Listen to me. You made this a lot more difficult than it had to be.
Yeah.
Oh,
I can stand up on my own.
all right. There you go. All right. Let's walk over to the car.
You okay?
Oh, I'm perfectly fine. Are you okay? That's all I'm worried about.
132, REL 104.
All right. Have a lean right here for me.
We are swerving. Swerving.
Well, hold them on. All right, go ahead and have a seat here for me, okay? Watch your head when you sit. I'll put my hand right here and make sure you don't hit it. There you go. Just hold tight for me. Hey, your expectation of this address, please.
10-4.
So he's got a holster. He kept wanting to go back in here, but he's got a holster in the door, so I'm going to let him get a shame about that. There's alcohol inside of here. Looks like some prescriptions. They said he must fight. Your gloves? Yeah, he's got